Hey guys, so today I'm here with the Rugged Ridge 2-inch hitch receiver fitting all 2018 and up JL Wranglers. So this is going to be for the JL owner looking to add some utility as well as some towing capabilities to their Wrangler if they didn't get the towing package right out of the factory. So even though the Wrangler is not necessarily known for towing, there's a couple of different beneficial reasons on why you should get a hitch receiver. So whether you're using it for a cargo rack, for a bike rack, you're using it for a recovery point, or you're towing small dollies, this option by Rugged Ridge is going to be a great solution for all of those. So this is going to be a very affordable solution at roughly $90. So other more expensive options on the page are usually going to come with some more durable coatings. They're going to have some more bells and whistles like a cover to them, or they may be made by premium brands like Mopar. Personally, I think if you're looking for one of the most affordable solutions for a hitch receiver that's going to last a long time and it's going to get the job done, then this is a great option to take a look at. So install is going to be a very easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. You're going to need minimum tools and minimum time to get this installed. So speaking of the install, let's jump into that now. The tools that I used for my install were a 3/8 inch drive ratchet, an 18mm socket, and a 19mm open-ended wrench. So to kick off this install, you will need to grab your hardware as well as a hitch receiver, a 19mm wrench, and an 18mm socket and a ratchet, and something comfy to lay on, and we'll head underneath the Jeep. So first, you need to determine if you have the L bracket connecting the rear bumper to the frame. There will be a bracket right here that will connect to the frame. We don't have this on ours, however, you will need to remove this in order to install your hitch receiver. So we don't have this, so we're gonna mount up our hitch receiver, grabbing the longer bolts that Rugged Ridge provides. I also have a lock washer and a flat washer. This is for the center bolts with the welded nut on the back. So once you have one threaded in, you can thread in the other. So for the outer holes, you will have the same bolts. However, there's not going to be a welded nut on the back of the hitch receiver here. You will have a nylon lock nut. So you're going to put a flat washer on one side, flat washer on the other side, and then the nylon lock nut. So what I would like to mention, Rugged Ridge does provide you with a bracket. This is to hook up your tow receiver. So we are going to bolt that on as well over here and sandwich it in between our hitch and our flat washer and nylon lock nut. Now we can do the other side. So after those are threaded on, we can take our 18mm socket and ratchet and a 19mm wrench and go ahead and tighten those down. And you can repeat the process for the other side. And then for the center too, you won't need your wrench. You can just tighten it down with an 18mm socket. After that's all tightened up, you are all set to go. So that's going to wrap it up for my quick review and install on the Rugged Ridge 2-inch hitch receiver fitting all 2018 and up JL Wranglers. Make sure you like and subscribe, and for more videos like this, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.